Welcome. Today we'll explore building an online marketplace, a highly scalable business model. We'll cover platform types, essential features, the right technology stack, and estimated costs to bring your vision to life. Building a marketplace offers significant advantages. You benefit from multiple vendors, minimizing your own inventory risk. Network effects drive growth, and diverse revenue streams provide stability and potential. Every marketplace is unique. We tailor solutions for various visions, including product marketplaces for goods, service marketplaces connecting professionals, rental platforms for assets, and B2B marketplaces for wholesale trade. The marketplace sector is booming, projected to reach $9 trillion by 2030. Over 60% of online purchases happen on these platforms, with rapid growth in mobile-first emerging markets presenting huge opportunities. A robust marketplace relies on three core panels: the user panel for seamless shopping, the vendor panel for managing listings and sales, and the admin panel for overall control, analytics, and user management. Modern users expect more than just functionality. They demand ease, personalization, and trust. Meeting these expectations with smart features and a smooth experience is crucial for conversion and retention. Building a flexible, secure, and high-performing platform requires the right technology. We recommend a stack utilizing modern frameworks for front-end and back-end, reliable databases, scalable infrastructure, and essential third-party integrations. We are proud of our industry recognition. Awards from leading platforms like Clutch and Good Firms highlight our commitment to quality and successful project delivery in the development space. We are more than just developers. We are a team of over 150 professionals passionate about building scalable digital products. Our experience spans global markets, delivering expertise you can trust. Marketplace development costs vary significantly. Key factors influencing the price include the specific platform type you choose, the complexity of features required, and the level of custom design and integrations needed. As mentioned, costs depend on your specific needs. Consider the platform type, the complexity of features like AI or real-time chat, and any custom design or integrations essential for your unique marketplace vision. We offer a strategic tech partnership, not just coding. Our approach includes agile development, business-driven design, scalable architecture, flexible hiring models, and crucial post-launch support to ensure your growth. It's time to transform your idea into a thriving business ecosystem. We help you go from concept to a revenue-generating platform. Let's connect to explore your vision and discuss customized solutions. Thank you for your time. We appreciate your interest. Please feel free to contact us at info@devtechnisys.com for any inquiries or to start a conversation about your marketplace project.